Hello, my name is Shiva Chavoshian and this is Learning Tazhib channel. I will teach Islamic illumination in this channel step by step regularly and I hope you will enjoy it. In the last videos, we learned about the basics of round flowers and how to draw a circle. Today, we will go more into details of adding ornaments to these flowers. The first step is to draw a surrounding circle around the flower. Then we draw the flower. Now it is time to adorn the flower by adding some ornaments. The first ornament we will be talking about is a small circle which is called hole in Farsi. We can have up to 3 of them on each petal. Each of these petals can have various forms. Like this. Look at these small flowers here. And they can also be further decorated by adding more details inside them, like this. Look at these flowers. This will be beautiful. Now we can add on to them and have some more smaller and different petals here. Remember that petals shouldn't come out of the surrounding circle. These are some other kinds of these groups of petals. Now I'm sketching another flower for you with different ornaments. And the smaller petals here. Look at these ornaments. They can be in different shapes. All items are inside the circle. We have another kind of petals here. They are the intersection of two circles like this. The shape of this kind of petal is extremely important. Pay close attention to how it should be drawn. Be careful not to sketch this like this or this. Other rules about drawing flowers, which we discussed in previous videos, apply to this flower as well. We can draw these flowers in this way. And we can add some smaller petals between them. Keep in mind that motifs are not generally that big in Tazhib, but for the sake of this video, and since I want you to see all of the details, I'm sketching them bigger using a pen. So keep the flowers small and use a pencil with minimum pressure for practicing. As you all know, practice makes perfect. And the good news is you can share your sketches with me. I will include my email address in the description portion of the video. Make sure you write Learning Tazhib as the title of your email so I can see and correct them for you.